Most attorneys that I talk to are hesitant to get into SEO or don't know if they want to start up SEO again because it's like this black box. They put in $5,000 a month. They don't know where it goes. They don't know what's happening. And it's kind of like it's a bet. It's like, here, $5,000 a month, and hopefully in a year it all pays off, right? I was talking to a client the other day. I asked him, like, you're doing all this stuff. You're doing PPC, you're doing SEO, you're doing social media. You've got all these things going on, so much money going out. Do you know if any of this actually works? And he was like, no, I don't. I have a feeling, like I have a gut feeling if it's working or not. And some months are good, some months are bad. But he doesn't actually know what's going on. Huge problem in our industry. So ApricotLaw has rolled out win-win performance pricing. This is a totally different pricing structure than what you're used to. It's based on merit. So basically how it works is you start at $1,000 a month. You come on for $1,000. That's it. We will agree on certain milestones that we need to hit. And once we hit those milestones, then the cost goes up. So it's purely once you see that we're performing and it's making you money, once you see the ROI actually in your bank account, that's when the price goes up, instead of this, pay $5,000 a month in eternity and cross our fingers that 12 months from now, we've got more revenue than we did the year before. So send me a message if you're interested in learning more of the details. Give me a call. But win-win performance pricing is the new way to explore SEO, find out how it can help your business grow. Thanks.